I'm Josh with Prescott and Sons. It's Tuesday morning. Just a quick update. We're starting a new job here at Evans. Shower's coming out, becoming a linen closet. 6-foot jacuzzi is going to be a walk-in shower. Glass block window will be replaced. New heated floors. New custom built vanity with double mirrors, double vanity lights. Glue down hardwood floor in the closet. In the hallway bath, new tile floor, new custom built double vanity, light fixtures, bath accessories. We're gonna place a commode. Real simple, not a whole lot to this one other than having a custom built vanity with a sink in the center.